Okay, so before I get into the video on the giveaway, I just want to remind you guys that I have a Patreon account, and over there I have additional giveaways just for Patreons every month, and as well as if you're looking for things that I'll be selling. I know that I've put out some posts before on selling items. I think that my Patreon account would be a better place to post those, so if you're looking for those as well, check it out over there. Of course, things for sale aren't just going to be for Patreons. Of course, anyone can buy those, so those will be for sale over there. And now we'll get into the video. Okay, so this is going to be the video to enter the contest for the Hobbymate giveaway, which is going to be absolutely fantastic. You're going to get 3 prizes available here, so there are going to be 3 winners, a first, second, and third place winner. The first place winner is going to be this guy here. This is the Meteor 5-inch bind and fly drone that I reviewed, I think it was about a month ago. And yeah, this is a fantastic flyer. I encourage you to go and watch that video. In fact, I'll talk about that here in a second, so don't go away. If you just don't go to the end of the video here and listen to what I have to say about the requirements for this, you're probably going to get picked and not end up winning, so pay attention. Okay, so as I said, there's going to be 3 prizes in this one. Oh, and by the way, there's going to be a card in the corner here for a playlist to all the current giveaways for this massive 25,000 subscriber giveaway. If you missed a video for whatever reason and you want to enter the other contests, click that card here and see those videos. There's a whole bunch of them as I put these giveaway videos out. That will the playlist will fill up for this month, and until I later on pick the winners and get rid of those videos, I'll delete them. And then, so if you're seeing this way in the future, then there probably won't be anything in there. But if you're watching this fairly recently, then you'll see a whole bunch of videos in that playlist. So definitely check those out if you want to enter some other contests if you missed those videos. Okay, so now back to this contest. So there's 3 prizes. It's going to be the 5-inch Meteor drone here. The second place prize is going to be the Duo D6 charger, very nice smart charger. Also did a video on that one. I'm going to put those videos links in the description because you're going to need to go there. And then the third place prize is going to be the ToolkitRC smart charger. I actually have that from another vendor. I haven't put that video out yet, so there probably isn't going to be a video link for that one that you're going to be able to see in time. Probably not until later in January anyway. So just for the I guess the first place and the second place prizes, I guess what I'm going to do is make this a little bit different. So just leaving one comment down in the description or down in the comment section. We'll mix it up a little bit here. So of course, one comment only. Per subscriber, so you can't put multiple comments down there as usual, otherwise you'll get disqualified. However, what I would like you to do is go to either the video for the Meteor or the charger, and put down in your comment one thing from that video that you liked, one feature, whatever, that you liked about either the drone or the charger, and then that will be your comment, that will be your entries. So what will happen is, because I'm making this kind of a little bit more creative in terms of an entry, someone who didn't watch this video and doesn't know that particular rule about that, or I guess requirement that I'm saying here, they're just going to put down like one comment or something lame down in their comment, and I'll end up disqualifying them. So this is going to be for you guys that pay attention, that are really interested in this prize, and not just drive-by, I guess what we call those drive-by contest enter people that just, they see the word giveaway in a video and they leave one comment and then leave and never see them again. So I get a lot of those actually, because like put out announcement videos that someone has won, and I can't tell you how many times I have to redraw the winners because they don't claim their prize in time, which is pretty ridiculous. Anyway, for those of you guys that are paying attention, you guys are going to have a heads up on this, a leg up on some of these other guys that aren't paying attention. So yeah, all you got to do is go watch another video, pick some feature out, anything. Just as long as the comment's not lame, and this is going to be totally subjective. If I think that comment's lame, then yeah, you're out. So if it just has to be simple, I liked this drone because of whatever from that video. Could be something about the motors, whatever. Put something in there that would make sense. But if it's just like some lame comment like, I'm here for the giveaway, then don't do that. Okay, so just when I pick the winner, that's what I'm going to be looking for, obviously. So the one comment, be a subscriber, of course, like the video, of course, but let's be a little creative on the comment here, and definitely go watch out the other video on this guy. This is, I think, one of my most underrated 5-inch drones on the channel. Yeah, for the price, I mean, it's like around 200 bucks, I think, and yeah, it's a great value. It's got excellent parts in it. Definitely worth checking out, even if you don't win. And if you're looking for a 5-inch drone, this is one of the ones that I would recommend checking out. In any event, that's it for this video. Good luck to you guys, and I'll have the drawing for the 3 prizes approximately end of January, beginning of February, so make sure your notifications are turned on so that you won't miss that announcement video to see if you've won. Okay guys, take care, and of course pay attention to the other videos that are coming out. There's going to be a lot more giveaways coming out in the next few days, so be aware of those and watch out for those.